Today we're going to cook an epic Sunday lunch, and for this you're going to need ingredients for the sauce. Here I've got double cream, honey, mustard, pepper, and obviously the steak, the centerpiece, and various vegetables, doesn't really matter which one, and potatoes. Also onions and mushrooms to help with the sauce. First, chop up the onions and mushrooms. Start the frying pan off with a knob of butter. Strangely therapeutic to spread the butter so that all parts of the pan are moistened. Pour all your onions and mushrooms in. While they're doing, let's prepare potatoes. Cut a couple of slits into the top to make a wedge in which you stick some butter. Stab it right through. And once the butter's in, put them in the oven for 6.5 minutes and off you go. Let's start with the veg now. Easy on the salt. Bollocks. Oh, they look about ready for the main event. All that lovely blood in there. Makes for a nicer gravy later, trust me. So once the mushrooms and onions are done and the steak looks just about blue, that's when you add the sauce magic here. A little bit of double cream. Don't get carried away. Pepper. Mustard. A little bit of honey. Stir it up and let it think about that for a while. Let's see how those spuds got on. If you can stick a knife through them, they're pretty well done. Look like they just need a minute more. We'll do that later. Oh yeah, this is going well. Tiny bit of butter and cheese to the spuds and give them another minute. Once you chop your side salad, then you prepare the workspace for serving. Drain the veg, not all of it, leave a drop for the gravy. Looks about ready to serve now. I'm going to cut this steak in half for 2 portions because I'm not American. Throw the spuds on. And cover one of them up with cling film if you're not going to eat them both now. And just give it a couple of hours, you're not going to put it in the fridge immediately. That's what we're talking about, steak and veg. And cut it with a butter knife. Didn't think there'd be anything left of that, did you? There's going to be more cooking here and here. This is a bit easier, and that is random. After all that hard work, don't get carried away with an unhealthy dessert.